Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Kia Rio. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.